Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Imaginary Engineering. This is Kirti. In this video, we are going to see how we can integrate this images third-party email API with our front-end application. So, this email.js is a third-party API to send the email. We don't need a backend. We are sending email from React.js application. So here you can see the pricing details. Free tier it provided 200 monthly requests to email template and request up to the 50 KB. So 200 monthly request if we are creating the working on the small project or for learning. So this 200 monthly request will be sufficient. So let's see. I will show you the application here. This is the contact us form. Uh, this application is running here, so I will refresh this page, and here you can see our contact us form, name, email, and message field, and one button to send a message. I will show you the code first. Mm, this is the form input field for the name, then email and the message, and this is the button, and used it to for the form data and handle change function. When user enter any value, then we will update this form data. Here we get the current details form data, and then we will update the new data here. And here is our function send email. On submit we are calling this, send email e dot prevent default to prevent the default browser behavior, and here I console log this form data. So let's start. First, for these images we need to install one package. So I will stop this server for now, and we will install the package npm install. The package we required is email.js/browser. Let's import this images package here. Import images from images/browser, and then we'll go to this images here. First you have to log in to this, go to this url images.com and log in, create your account. It's very easy to create your account. Just enter your email id and then password, and then you are ready to create your account and sign in here. And first, once you create your account, this page will open, and then first you have to create the email service. So here, you can see the many service: Gmail, Outlook, Zoom. So for this project, I'm go with this Gmail. So click on the Gmail. Here you will get your service ID. Then connect to your account, and then click on this create service. So this is how you can create this Gmail service. It's very easy to create a service. And again here you can edit this also. Disconnect option is there. Update service, you can update the service also. Once you created your service, then next step is that you need a template. So this template you can see in your email inbox. Okay, and for a free tier, only 2 email template is allowed. So I will create another one. What I will do, I will delete this template and I will create a new one. So let's create a new one. So here we have the many template option available: contact us, auto reply, welcome, password. If I click on this, here you can see this template. This template is basically your HTML template that you can see in your inbox email. Order confirmation. So these are the some template example. Then I will choose this contact us, and I will click on this create template. Now here we have the subject, then content. We can edit this information. So title, we are not sending any title, right? So I will just keep it contact us subject. And then name and message. One thing you need to be make sure that this name should be matched. Here we are using the name, and this name here and this template attribute should be matched. Here messages, and then here reply to email. We are not using this reply to email, so let me remove this. Here you can change the email also. Here I will use another email. Get this 105. You can edit this email and edit the content. Here you have the two options: design editor and code editor. In code editor you can edit the HTML editing. Here you can do. Here you can edit your HTML here, and you can see the output from your right side. You can change the attribute name, whatever the name you want. I will keep it name only. I will close this. And another option is design editor is also there. Here you can change your design. Here a message by, I will say imaginary engineering. Name message, I will keep it as it is. Subject, we are done. Just make sure that this attribute value must match with your form values here: name, email, and messages. So click on the save once you are done with all the editing. So click on the save. Now we'll go to our application. Here send email, images dot send. We need to pass the service ID. Service ID, we will get the service ID from here. Let's copy this service ID, close this. Then next we need a template ID. Template ID, where we will get template ID. So in email template, if I go here in setting, here we have the template ID. So let me copy this template ID also. Here I will copy template ID, and then we will pass the template parameter, and we want to send this name, form data, basically email and messages. We have all this data in our form data variable, right? So I will send the form data as a parameter. And then next we want a public key. So public key, we will get public key from account. Here we have the public key, so I will copy this public key, come here and paste it here. Now we have the service service ID, then template ID, then template parameter, and the public key. Then once we get a response, we'll say alert, message sent successfully. And if there is any error, then we will say message not sent. Please try again. Yes, now we are done. So let's go to our application. First, let me start the server. This server has stopped. So let me start the server first. Server is running on this port number 5173. I will open the inspect tab. Get the then email ID and message. Let's say welcome to engineering. and then I will click on this send message. Here we get this form data, email, message name, message sent successfully, alert message we get. So let's go to our inbox and refresh this page. Here you can see, here I received the email in my welcome to Machinery Engineering channel. Yes, now you can see we don't need any backend to integrate and send the email. It's very easy to integrate this image as third party API, and also it comes in free tier. 200 monthly request is available, so you can easily integrate with your application, and try this. If you like this video and if you learn something new, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Imaginary Engineering. Thank you for watching.